Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, introduce us from Team 9, the members 1. Zanwar Alfi Khairunisa, 2. Nanda Septiana, 3. Ninda Pravitasari, 4. Septian Ilham Pirlian. Here we will present TOSE material about subject-verb agreement. Definition of subject-verb agreement. It is an adjustment between the verb and the subject of a sentence in terms of number, namely singular or plural. Subject-verb agreement, which is when the subject and verb have the same form or agree on a form. The point is that when the subject is singular, the verb must also be singular. And if the subject is plural, the verb must also be plural. Each subject and verb has a singular and plural form, which can be the subject in a sentence include noun, pronoun, gerund, and to infinitive, which can be a verb in a sentence, among other, main verb, auxiliary verb, and to be.
Next, I will tell you about the verb on singular sentence. First, the main verb. It uses simple present tense that use verb plus s or es. Example, the woman needs some cash now. Second, the auxiliary verb that use simple present tense is does. Example, the woman doesn't need money now. It's use present perfect tense that use has. Example, the man has got the money. The third is to be that use simple present is. Example, the man is always angry at me. That also use simple past tense was. The example, the man was angry at me yesterday. Next, on the verb on plural sentence. First, main verb that use simple present. Verb 1. Example, human always need air to breathe. Second, auxiliary verb that use simple present tense do. Example, the student don't need to go to campus anymore. Next, present perfect that use have. Example, the man have got the money. The third is to be. On simple present tense that use are. Example, all teachers at school are always angry at me. The second, simple past tense that use were. Example, all teachers at school were angry at me yesterday.
Subject noun, singular, countable noun, or only one, uncountable noun. Example, Annie always brushes her teeth before going to bed. Too much sugar is bad for you. Plural, countable noun or more than one and ended with s or s or regular form. Example, Annie and his sister always brush her teeth before going to bed. My glasses have broken. Subject pronoun, singular, third person or he, she, it, demonstrative pronoun or this, that. Example, she always brushes her teeth before going to bed. This is bad for you. Plural, they, we, are, you, those, this. Example, I always brush her teeth before going to bed. They are here. I am here now. Subject gerund, always in singular, to verb in, function as a noun. Example, talking to her now is pointless. Designing a wedding gown is my hobby. Subject to infinitive, always in singular. To verb 1 function as a noun. Example, to watch this video only takes about 5 minutes time.